What is up, ladies and gentlemen? I have one hell of a product for you today. It's an unboxing of the Samsung Simple and Easy Opening. That's right, this is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Z Flip3 cover in lavender. So recently I got this Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. I was looking for a case and this thing came up. So it's compatible with the Galaxy Buds Pro, Buds Live and Buds 2. The one I have here are the Buds Live. But you know, since they all have the same case, it's compatible with all three. Alright, so let's start off with what's so special about this case, which is that it looks like a phone. In fact, I have a Z Fold3, I love it, and you know what? I'm gonna go for another foldable, but I can't really afford another fold, so I'll get the Z Flip case. Right, so this one here is in lavender. I think the other colors are a little bit boring or plain. Lavender is a nice color and it will match well with a lot of my other peripherals, such as my purple mouse. Oops, sorry. Anyways, yep. So, okay, right, let's get into this. Okay, so this case, right, is supposed to be limited edition in Korea or something like that. So I had to import it from some buyer. Wait, from some seller. Okay, so it comes in two pieces. Buds Pro, Buds Live, Buds 2, Galaxy Buds Z Flip cover, manufactured in Korea. I can't really see on my little Osmo screen, but yeah, I'm using an action camera to film this right now because I just want to show you my phone. That's why if the minimum focusing distance is a little, if it's not focusing, then yeah, oh well. Anyways, if you can read right, it says Music Playlist, Galaxy Buds, Pop, Jazz, Classic. Okay, so for this case, oh no, it seems a little scuffed. I might have to ask for an exchange or return or something. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit scuffed. Anyways, it doesn't appear to have a lanyard or keyring holder out of the box. You'll probably have to like run your string through this little USB charging port, which is not the charging port that you're going to use, by the way, since all the buds, right, charge from the back. You see there's this little cutout here. Yeah, you'll charge like this or by wireless charging, which is what I use anyways. Right, so let's put it in. Snaps on easily. God damn, look at that. Oh, even it feels like I'm opening a Z Flip device as well. This is so cool. Alright, so your charging ports at the back. There's this little hole here which is but you know, they had to make do with physics. SIM tray, speakers, charging port, flashlight which does not work, and yeah, volume rocker, and I don't know what's this, or probably a lock and unlock button. This is super cool, guys. Let me see. Yeah, this is the Z Flip. Wait, Galaxy Buds Z Flip3 cover in lavender. This costs me about $40 Sing, which is about 30 USD. Is it worth it or not? It's up to you, but I think it's really cool. It's quite thick actually. Yep, double the thickness of the Galaxy Z Fold3, which is already a thick boy. But you know, it's for aesthetic reasons. Nobody carries this around like expecting it to be a practical case. But just look at that. Super cool, you know. Put this on your desk, people think you are rocking two phones, or you can have a little purple aesthetic by yourself. Hang on, let me get my keyboard. That's right. Lilac everything. Really, really cool if you're into that kind of aesthetic. And yeah, there's not much else to say. It is a case. Okay guys, so turning back on the camera